All right, so let's go to Arrow Studio. We'll go to the same web, but this time it's a different website for Arrow Studio. So this is it. I've already given you. Now, the thing is, you can go to this first page by coming here and clicking this, download and install Arrow. Okay, it will still take you to the screen page. All right, but you can go to the link directly, which I've shared with you. Then you can just come here for the Arrow Studio purpose, whichever works for you. So we want to install Arrow Studio, so we would just click the download Arrow Studio desktop. It's as simple as that. So once you click this, you see it start downloading immediately. This one doesn't take much process. All right, so I have it already installed. It's on my desktop. So we'll go to my desktop so that we will install it. So this is the Arrow Studio. So we double click on it as usual, like we did for the Arrow. So it's running. Say yes, I want you to allow this app to install in my system and to make changes. So the next thing is the next to continue. It's already telling you where Arrow Studio will be installing inside a folder called your program files inside Drive C. It's already telling you the space that it will occupy. All right. So you check, but I think you will most likely have enough space because these files are usually, very small. 821 megabyte is not too much. So next, these are default. You don't have to check this because you would need it to create a shortcut like it did for Arrow. Then you install. So the installation process have begun. So you just wait for it to install. Beautiful. Installation complete. That's as cool as it can get. And you finish. And that's it. It's installed. All right. But for your Arrow Studio, sometimes you may not find it on your desktop like you did for Arrow. So to get it, you can come here in the search and you can type Arrow Studio and you will just see it. So something you can do, sometimes you can right click and see if you can pin it to the start menu so that it's just there, or anytime you want to open it, you can just come here and type Arrow Studio. Like for me, I mean, that works okay for me. Then I could just, so that I don't have too many things pinned on my start menu. So I could just click the Arrow Studio and that's it. And it opens, it tells you Arrow Studio requires an existing installation of Arrow. Please use the version. So it's telling me that I have to use this version. All right, so I can just say, you can also customize. I could now say I already have the Arrow installed. So sometimes it may have to link them. So I could just say, okay. And that's it, because I already have the Arrow installed. So what it needed to do was to link the Arrow Studio with my Arrow, which is why I said that you have to install your Arrow first before you install the Arrow Studio. All right, that's the synchrony in how these things work. So there was a crash report. It says if he wants to upload a crash report automatically that helps them analyze this data, I can just say no. And that is it. So my Arrow Studio is complete, although it usually has 4 panes, but you can see this is 3. So you can get the 4th one by coming here and clicking here. So you have your 4 panes, 1, 2, 3, and a 4. So the installation is complete. And so you're ready to use your Arrow and you're ready to use your Arrow Studio. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much.